Okay, it's literally 1 o'clock in the morning. If you hear this. Okay guys, this is the drift. Totally secured the yeah, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh. You moved ice. Oh. You're spreading snow everywhere, like frozen. See that one? Me frozen in there.
This one? That's right. Hey guys, as you can see, I got these shades on. Not by choice, not by choice. Don't even know where my Ray-Bans went. Now I got these. What is this? Okanagan Spring. There's always somebody selling something at this corner. Birdhouses, whether it's honey, whether it's golf balls, somebody is selling. Oh, that's the honey guy. The honey guy, he's got the old camper. He's got a camper. If he's not getting good sales, he could take a nap if he wanted to. Hey guys, what's up? We just arrived at Valley Village. We are just gonna go in here. We haven't been here in a long time. Huh?
Me.
With you?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna go thrift shopping and check out what the deal is. Somebody just took a bite of this coffee crisp. Okay. So far, we've got 2 chairs for $3.99. Really good condition. And we got this GT Racer here for 10 bucks. Look at the colors. We got purple, pink. It's got a nice solid frame. Just has a broken steering wheel, but that's not too bad. For 10 bucks, I mean, that's like the coolest snow racer of all time. That's pretty much all we found in that store. The GT Eraser.
Yeah.
It is supposed to snow like 15 centimeters overnight, so maybe we'll get to use it once. Making a stop at Canadian Tire. We're gonna fill the water jugs. Look at the sunset behind Walmart. Beautiful.
Daddy in the shower.
Back to the drifting snow again. We made it home. The drift has started. It's all about. And we got groceries. Yep. Where do we begin? $4.99. Not bad. The K9 Canon for $7.99. Or back. Boom. Launch balls. $9.99. The Cobra 29 LTD Classic. nice CB radio. Aluminum camping pot. Camping frying pan. Nice lightweight. We are having steak tonight. I just chopped up some onions. I just chopped up some mushrooms. And look at those beautifully seasoned and buttered steaks ready to hit the grill like no other. Damn! Okay, so as you can see, it is snowing outside. I'm gonna move the barbecue a little bit closer to the house, because where it is right now, the wind just picks up and it's hard to keep a constant flame. We're gonna bring it closer to the house so that the wind isn't as strong. I'm hoping this is the last snow of the season. This grill definitely needs cleaning. Holy.
Oh my god, you know what I thought of before I forget?
Okay, what is it?
Restaurants are open again, right?
Yeah.
10 and 2.
The snow hitting and instantly evaporating. And the smell of a barbecue that just like holds the smell of summer. Mmm. Montreal steak spice. That's an awesome barbecue sauce. And then we've got the spice itself. We got the spice and we got the sauce. All right. No kiba. Look at those mushrooms in there with the onions. That looks delicious. That's gonna pair just wonderfully with these steaks. Gets a little bit of oil, puts it on the bottom of the steak. As you can see, it's just totally charbroiled because of how dirty the barbecue is. But look at that. Boom, right down. Pick that one up, a little bit of oil. Let's cover the bottom. And right down on the grill. Hear that sizzle? Beautiful. Oh, that is just wonderful. That looks great. Look at the little bit of oil dabs on the top. Cool. Just brush that on gently. Don't get it too aggressive. Just ease into it. Just want to keep the oil to sear all those flavors deep inside the steak. This snow is getting heavier. Oh, the Keeb! Oh, the Keeb, he's laying down. Oh, the snow Keeb. The snow Kev. The snow Corgi. Kev, you're doing a snow angel. The Keeb. Okay, where? Just a little bit of mid-cooking snacks in between steak barbecue championships. What do we got? We got some dill pickle sunflower seeds. Pickle? Yeah, they are. Whoa. Wait a minute, I thought I picked the dill pickle. And what do we got? What are we drinking? What are we drinking? We're drinking 100% coconut water. Now this is the good stuff. Look at this. No sugar added, no preservatives. You look at ingredients. Look at this. Coconut water. That's it. They don't have to lie. They don't have to say anything else. Just like straight out of the coconut into the can. Yep. So there she is. The master barbecue steak fire grill extraordinaire. Stat. Let's stat. How's my kitty? How's my kitty? How's my kitty? Look at that. Just look at that. That's a beautiful steak, baby. Great job. Alright guys, the snow's getting a little bit heavier. As you can see. Don't forget to turn off your propane. Start, you know? Like that's... This is seriously like one of the best steaks I've ever had in my entire life. Stat. What a kitty. You're gonna fall. You're gonna fall. Oh, I just stepped on Luna's tail. Luna's. This is Lestat. He's just having a nap on the back of the couch. It's It's literally 1 o'clock in the morning, if you hear this. There's goddamn horses in the yard. That's spooky. That's loud. It worked. They all took off. Alright guys, so still got the horses in our yard. I've got 3 of them that are just, you know, scouring around here trying to find some whatevers. And then we got 2 that are just lounging. Babe, we have horses now.